My name is Kendra Baker. My name sign is Kendra. I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager for Microsoft Teams. You may notice I'm signing. Why? My brother is deaf. But now I'll let the interpreters take it from here. Today, we're going to show you some of the new features in Microsoft Teams that help us enable inclusive meetings.
Hello. Now, when I start my meetings, I want to make sure anyone who isn't able to join can get caught up. So I'm going to turn on cloud recording. To turn on cloud recording, click on the ellipses located on the meeting control bar at the bottom of the screen and select Start Recording. Now those who may have missed the meeting can access the meeting recording and even search the transcript for their name or keywords and jump to the point in time where they're mentioned. Let's talk about live captions. To turn on live captions during a meeting, simply navigate to that same meeting control bar at the bottom of the screen and click on the ellipses. Select the Turn on Live Captions, and soon you'll see real-time captions appear across the bottom of your screen. This feature is helpful across a variety of scenarios. Maybe I'm in a noisy environment and I can't hear what's being said in the meeting, or for people that have different levels of language proficiency. Live captions helps users follow along in a way that works for them. To turn off live captions, click on the same ellipses and select Turn Off Live Captions. Next, we'll show you Raise Hands. This feature helps ensure all voices are heard by providing a visual indicator to the meeting participants that you have a question or would like to speak. To turn on Raise Hands, simply navigate to the meeting control bar located at the bottom of the screen and click on the hand icon. Meeting participants will see a hand icon light up next to your name in their gallery view. To lower your hand, simply click on the hand icon again. With so many of us working from home, backgrounds can be distracting. With background blur, you can keep the focus on you and not what's around you. To turn on background blur, click on the ellipses on the meeting control bar and click Show Background Effects. A background settings menu will appear, allowing you to select background blur, one of several pre-populated background images, or a custom background of your own. Select one of the backgrounds that you'd like to apply, click Apply, and your background will take effect. Now, when I'm in a meeting, sometimes I want to keep my focus on a particular individual or video stream. By pinning a video, you can choose whose video you'd like to view during the meeting. This can be a particular person, like a sign language interpreter, the video stream coming from a meeting room, or meeting content that's being presented. To pin a video, click the ellipses located next to a participant's name and select Pin. To unpin the video, click that same ellipses and select Unpin. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and we hope these features help make your next Microsoft Teams meetings even more inclusive.